In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a profile photo on Facebook. Alright, so I'm here on my screen and I'm going to start by opening up Facebook. Just letting it load like normal. And once it comes in, I'm sitting right on my main feed where all the posts and updates are showing. Now from here, I'm going to head over to my profile. So I'll click on profile and that takes me straight into my personal page where all my account info and content are stored. I'll just give it a second to fully load everything. Once that's done, I'm going to click on photo, so I'll tap that and it opens up all my photos that are linked to my profile. At this point, I'm going to go into albums, so I'll just click on that option and now I can see all my photo albums organized in one place. Now I'm going to select profile pictures, so I'll open that album and this is where Facebook stores all the photos I've used as profile pictures over time. Once that loads, I'm going to choose the photo I want to delete. So I'll just click on one of the profile pictures and it opens up in full view. At this point, I'm going to look for the three dot icon. So I'll click on that and it brings up a small menu with different options for managing the photo. Now I'm going to click on delete photo. So I'll just tap that option and this removes the selected profile picture from my account. Once that's done, the photo is deleted from the profile pictures album and it will no longer appear in my profile photo history. And yeah, that's basically the whole process. I'm just going through it again as I do it. Open Facebook, click profile, go to photo, open albums, select profile pictures, choose a photo, tap the three dot icon, and then click delete photo. Once that's done, your Facebook profile photo is removed and your profile picture history is updated right away.